markets. The Nifty opened on a weak note today and was trading in the red for the most part of the day until the last half an hour, where the Nifty pulled back smartly from the day's low and ended the day on a positive note of 38 points. The market breadth was even today with 733 advances to 782 declines. In comparison to the last 4 to 5 trading sessions, our sense is that the market breadth has today improved on a good basis, because since past 4 to 5 trading sessions, the advance decline ratio was almost 2:1 in the favor of declines, and today we have seen even market breadth. So it is possible that now the broader market has just started to perform. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC, M&M, Kotak were some of the draggers for the day, while HDFC Bank, ITC, Reliance, L&T, BPCL closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that there is no stopping the Nifty. 10th positive close for the day on the trot. It is facing resistance at this upward sloping upper end of this channel. However, we feel that it is just a sideways consolidation, and our sense is that the Nifty in the coming trading sessions might just consolidate in a range of 8860 to 8820 on the downside and 9000 on the upside. Considering this, it is possible that the Nifty just trades in a sideways manner, and now the mid and small cap stocks really outperform in the coming trading sessions. So we are expecting the positive momentum to continue on the upside. However, we might just see some sideways consolidation in the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the RV charts, you can observe that the Nifty for most part of the day traded around that 20-hour moving average, around that 8860 odd level, and thereafter pulled back smartly in the last half an hour of the trading session. On the upside 89.85 and on the downside 88.60. This is the broad range. Our sense is that this is the range in which the Nifty shall trade in the coming few trading sessions, and then continue its positive momentum on the upside. So in the coming trading sessions, it is possible the sideways consolidation might continue for a few trading sessions in the coming week. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today. It also traded around that 20-hour moving average, and thereafter it pulled back during the last half hour of the trading session and closed on a positive note. No real change in the stance for Bank Nifty as well. The positive momentum shall continue. Yes, certain PSU banks are reacting to their quarterly results. But however, that does not have much amount of weightage in the Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty shall continue its positive momentum and trade in sync with the Nifty. Sideways consolidation in Bank Nifty not ruled out. We are expecting sideways consolidation in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and thereafter the positive momentum should continue on the upside. So our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty both remain positive. Yes, we can see some sideways consolidation for a few trading sessions in the range of 88.60 on the downside and 89.85 on the upside. So this is a narrow range, and thereafter which the positive momentum should continue. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 88.60 and 88.20, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. On the upside 89.85, which is the all-time high, and above that 90.40 are crucial resistances. For the Bank Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 20,360 and 20,190. On the upside 20,700 and 20,900 are crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.